Imagine you just bought a lottery. What is the first thing you are going to do? You are going to imagine winning that lottery. In your head, you must have already had that picture-perfect life settled for you after winning your lottery. Some people after buying lottery pray to God and join their hands their entire way back home. From the day that they bought lottery till the day the number that won the lottery is declared, they visit the church or visit the temple or visit any place that their religion calls. And finally the day comes, the number is declared, and that person does not win the lottery. And they get mad at every god that the person prayed is being blamed. What that person does not realize is that the fault is not in God that he believes in, but the fault is in the way he started praying. The fault is in the less belief that he had with himself winning the lottery. He does not realize that, but you can save yourself from that mishappening. Hello and welcome back to my new video. In this video, I will tell you about the steps you should take and the steps you should start avoiding, or you should at least have an arm-length distance from if you have already bought the lottery, or if you are thinking of buying a lottery. If buying a lottery is on your future plans, then you have come to the right video. Watch this video till the end, and then buy some lotteries. It's all a game of luck. But if you follow what I will say later in this video, the luck is on your side, my friend. So before starting, if you want to learn about manifesting and creating the life you want, I have a law of attraction guide that contains 8 step-by-step lessons in both audio and PDF format. You can access it from the link in the description. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Lotteries, a piece of scratch paper that has different numbers and letters behind those concealed marks. Just the game of luck to some, and for others, the way to fulfill their wishes, to clear their debts, and to live a happy life that they deserve. What if I tell you that this game of luck can turn around in your favor if you try hard enough, but not so hard enough that you devote your entire existence into it? The right amount of devotion towards the law of attraction, and with consistent practice of manifestation, the world will start to revolve around you and not the other way around. When you manifest, it's not the game of luck. It's the game of consistency. It's the game of uniformity and regularity. Let me ask you something. If you have landed in this video, either you must be planning to buy a lottery and want to know the do's and don'ts to make worth of every penny you spend for it, or you may have already bought the lottery and want to utilize the time you have and make the best out of whatever time you have got. Whatever the reason is, answer me this question honestly. Would you make the best use of this lottery? Would you utilize the lottery for the betterment of you and the surrounding, or would you just waste it on unnecessary things? This is a very important question that you should be able to answer honestly, if not to me then to yourself. You should know your intention before taking action. If you are just going to waste the lottery money on things that gives you seconds of happiness, then the lottery money is quiet, not the thing of your precious time. But if you are in need, and that need is for the betterment, then you should have faith, you should have that trust in yourself, in the universe, and you should have that trust in the process. Now you might want to tell me to stop here, because till now I have only explained the luck part of winning the lottery. I have not really touched the part where the manifestation comes in. That is because I want to change your perception in this topic. I want you to not only take this topic as a game of luck, but also it's a game of faith and belief. Can law of attraction and manifestation really work to win a lottery? Must have been a question that might have struck in many of yours mind. Well, if you ask me then, as a true believer of law of attraction, and as a person who practices manifestation on a daily basis, I would like to say that, yes, the law of attraction can actually work for people to win the lottery. And if you search the internet, you will find interviews of people who have claimed that they have attracted that lottery money by invoking daily, that is, by manifestation. So what are the steps to be followed? What are the manifestation techniques that have to be done to be a person on that list of person who have manifested money into their lives? Well, the steps are simple. They are the same steps that we have been using to manifest any other things in our lives. For this thing to work, we have to have a good knowledge of both law of attraction and law of assumption. These two laws go hand in hand with each other. If you are interested in having a deep understanding about what these two laws are, then there are other videos in this channel where I have explained both the laws in detail, like the way you would understand. If you are interested, you can go watch that video after this one. Now, coming back to our topic, I would like to tell you how you can use the law of attraction and law of assumption to win that lottery. The first thing I want you to do is to forget that you have even purchased a lottery. Now you might be thinking about how forgetting would work, but if you have watched other videos of mine, you might be familiar with this step, as I have mentioned in other videos as well. But if you haven't, then let me tell you that here forgetting does not mean completely forgetting about that task. It does not mean you erase the memory. What I mean is that go about your day keeping in mind that you have already won the lottery. Feel like you have already won the lottery. Feeling allows manifestation to work like a charm. This is law of assumption, to assume that you have already had your desire fulfilled. Do it with a relaxed mind. Any work you do, any task you agree to work on, do it with a relaxed mind. If you think about it all day long and thoughts like, will I win or will I not? This doubt will take you backwards and forward. So go about your day with a relaxed mind and tension-free, and let your subconscious mind do its work. When you are doing your task of the day, keep on saying the affirmations. Adjust saying affirmations as a task in your daily routine and chant those words again and again. Say those sentences out loud or say it with your inner voice. The universe is working on my desires. I trust myself, and I trust that my desires are coming towards me. I trust the universe, and I trust the process that I am going to win the lottery. Go on and say all those affirmations that you know. This is called law of attraction. Keep on attracting your desires towards yourself. Manifestation works when things get aligned. So collect your thoughts and put it in one place so that it creates enough power to manifest your desire. Everything begins with a thought and ends with a thought, so think positive. Not for a moment have any doubt in your manifestation and the process. Keep this in mind, that if you are manifesting a lottery, then you are not the only one manifesting. There are numerous people who bought the lottery ticket and want to win the prize. The person who is not aware of manifestation is also manifesting, because this is a chore that happens in a subconscious level. Like even for a split second you wish for something, your subconscious manifests the thing for you. So the only way you can win a lottery is by being the subconsciously strongest one to manifest. Visualize that you won the lottery, be thankful, and have the feeling of gratitude to whatever abundance you have in your life. Take inspired actions to attract all of your desires. Like in this case, purchase a ticket regularly or participate in lottery pools. Take actions that demonstrate that you are committed. We have come to the end of this video. If you have come this far, I thank you for listening to me. Remember that manifestation is not magic. It's not that magical portion that you take and you win the lottery. Winning a lottery depends on various factors that are beyond our control. Focus your mind and your thoughts on manifesting abundance into your life. Have faith in yourself, trust the universe, and trust the process, and the universe will support you in your goals. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.